The CEO of Google attests to the Shiba Inu's fire. Prepare yourself to never work again. News Shab. Hours after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank threatened on Monday at SXL. Hundreds of festival goers crowded into a Zen retreat, the future of the majority of its firms. A captivating virtual environment with bamboo and cherry trees waving in the wind and unmistakable. The Dogecoin Temple, a memorial to the Shiba Inu hunting dog breed that pays homage to the cryptocurrency slogan, "We're all gonna make it," provided solace from the deteriorating financial situation. The creators of the Shiba Inu coin are now creating ecosystems and the first glimpse of the Metaverse. This video will discuss the Shiba Inu burn that Google's CEO confirmed. Be prepared and avoid working. Again, News Shab. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. In bank runs like the one last Friday, decentralization of cryptocurrency is inevitable. Satoshi Kozama, the enigmatic Shiba Inu project's principal developer, solely uses his pseudonym and an avatar of a hooded. Via Google Meet, a figure wearing a long cloak explains to Fast Company. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot with his video camera off. He is signing the fractional reserves of the bank. That 5% global adoption rate rises as more people become aware of this and choose to diversify, at which point people start asking, what's this Shib thing? They also discover how amazing we are. Not all people, though. Although Shib may have the most cult-like following among the crypto degens, Web3 supporters are still a small subset of Twitter users. The project was started 2.5 years ago. The concept for the token, known as the Shib Army, began as a joke to create a Dogecoin killer to supplant the competing meme-based token Dogecoin, but its ardent supporters couldn't have been more serious. Together, they used nothing more than a social media uprising to catapult Shiba Inu into the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point, with a market valuation of $44 billion. Along the way, shibaswap, a decentralized exchange platform, and a collection of 10,000 Shiboshi NFTs, pixelated Shiba Inu characters with various designs, have both helped to expand its realm. Features range from a pizza piece hanging from the dog's mouth to a pirate helmet. Shiba Inu gained praise from Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin and cryptocurrency pioneer Elon Musk, followed by a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. And what started as glib trolling by the meme crowd has expanded to 3.6 million followers on crypto Twitter, who are also some of the platform's loudest users and quick to dump pile onto news blasts. Pledging to take the Shib hashtag to the moon by tossing around hashtags like Shib Army Strong and Hail Shib. It ranked third globally in terms of Bitcoin searches on Google in 2022. With the introduction of Shibarium, a layer to blockchain, it is now making its biggest advancement yet. Shib the Metaverse, which will debut with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll clothes designer John Richmond, was released in beta last week along with a number of additional tokens. Shib wants to use it to develop into more than simply a coin for memes. One of the draws is the strange mythology of the Shiba Inu. Ryoshi, the company's founder, was also shrouded in mystery until he abruptly vanished from the internet last summer. His mockingly cat-shaped avatar has been permanently deleted from the discords. He didn't disappear, though. Shidashi joined the roadmap that Ryoshi had left behind after the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but before Musk's comments sent it surging, and it has been adhering to that roadmap ever since. Shib's financial situation is likewise unknown. Shidashi claims that Shiboshi NFT sales money is used elsewhere, while sales of Metaverse land plots fund Metaverse development. Leash and Bones tokenomics and the team's share retention status are still up in the air. They chose not to say if they receive a cut from Shiba. Transaction costs for swap, they haven't gotten any venture money. The word community, which is frequently used in blog posts, tweets, and magazine articles, is actually Shib's biggest boast. As main advisor for the Shib Metaverse, Marcy Jastro explains to Fast Company, the Shib army's input is being taken into account as the Metaverse is being planned. It was built by a company that the team hired using Unreal Engine, but there is no inventiveness. Director: they create concept artwork. Drafts are first created in black and white, after which they are published on blogs and discussed on social media, before being adjusted, colored, and rendered in 3D, again and over again. The Wa Temple is the first of 11 zones that are currently under construction. It is an undeveloped dream place with grazing deer and open-air yoga. That group includes other people as well. Metaverses like Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Yuga Labs' Ultimate Reality are sometimes viewed as rivals. Jastro, meanwhile, is adamant that for a young and changing realm like the Metaverse, the settlers must cooperate. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. We desired a triumph for all. We only needed the headset to function. Perhaps it's too welcoming, especially in the lean. There are periods of crypto winter when venture capital investment has halted and it feels more competitive than ever to survive. Jastro is correct, though. What works for one person might work for everyone. Because every metaverse has a hard time convincing people to live in Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. Meta is now more focused on AI, despite Mark Zuckerberg's ferocious crusade for Horizon Worlds. Compared to the Metaverse, a theory on which Zuckerberg staked the name of his business after its Metaverse section reported a $13 billion loss in 2022. Decentraland, perhaps the industry pioneer, had only 8,000 active users each day, and as of the end of last year, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a $0.60 per dollar discount. Several Metaverse coins have experienced drops of up to 80%. Shiba Inu presently has a market worth of $6 billion, with a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of $0.01. As previously theorized, if the token were to seek a value of $1 per token, this would represent an astounding indicated valuation of $589 trillion, which is significantly higher than even the world GDP. With its most recent advances, Shiba Inu has continued to grab attention. Shiba Inus have experienced a spike in popularity because to the possibility of huge returns on investment. Returns. Shiba Inu's owner and trader community is growing as a result of the increased demand for the breed. Any serious investor will understand that such a price would not be feasible, of course, without significant supply cuts. Despite this, given its present low price, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn in by the potential rewards of investing in this distinct, millennial-driven cryptocurrency, with great potential for return. Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, is powered by the S8IB token, which rose 15% to trade at $0 and 1,120 cents at the time of writing. Shiba Inu crucial price retest earlier in March and then bounced back, suggesting the pattern was about to shift northward. Prior to the $0.01 adjustment, which followed the trend line, SHIB had made a breakthrough in January, rising 96% by early February to a new yearly high of $0 and 1,576 cents. Shiba Inu had double-digit growth during the past 24 hours, but there are still a few things to do before. A fresh bull market has been fully confirmed by investors. With a market valuation of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at $0 and 1,120 cents. In the previous day, Shiba Inu has experienced a 30% spike in trading volume to $321 million, suggesting that investors are accumulating more because they believe the price will move much more dramatically over the next few days. However, the price movement is currently restrained at $0 and 1,126 cents by the 100-day exponential moving average. For S8IB to maintain the breakthrough from this important moving average, a break above, fall in the trend line. Key momentum indicators like the moving average convergence divergence show a determined bullish front despite the immediate opposition. Following Shiba Inus. The MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart as the stock was dumped along with the rest of the market as a result of Silicon Valley Bank's failure. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the purchase signal chart, but this time it is maintaining above the mean line. Prior to the Federal Reserve's decision on a rate hike, buyers are determined to cling onto the gains they have made, particularly during this week's comeback. Probable increase in interest rates on March 22. The 100-day EMA, which is located at $0 and 110 cents on the 4-hour chart, is above the price of Shiba Inu. Keep in mind that the daily chart's immediate barrier is the 100-day EMA. That support might be verified by a daily closure above $0 and 110 cents. Is complete and upward movement presents the least amount of difficulty. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.